circle the fruits and tick the vegetables. Children, let's see some vegetables here. Lady's finger. Okay. Tomato. Pumpkin. Still there are many vegetables at your home. Let's tick the vegetables here. Okay. This is a lady's finger. Let's tick the lady's finger here. This is a tomato. Let's stick the tomato here. This is a pumpkin. Let's stick the pumpkin here. Then this is a beetroot. This is also a vegetable. Okay. Now let's circle the fruits here. Let's see some of the fruits and circle them. This is a orange. This is a fruit. This is a mango. This is a fruit. This is a watermelon. This is a fruit. This is grapes. This is a fruit. Let's circle the fruits here. This is a watermelon. This is a watermelon. This is a fruit. Let's circle it. This is grapes. This is also a grapes. Then this is a custard apple. This is a fruit. Let's circle it. This is a pear. It's a fruit. So let's circle it. This is a pomegranate. This is a fruit. Then this is guava. This is a fruit. Then this is a jackfruit. That's all, children. You have to do it in your book.